Datmahseh.
Like you would sit and wait for a parking for 45 minutes in New York. Drive round, drive round, drive round, drive round. Now, I seen this guy walk into his car and he walked out and I said, yes, see the man, yeah, I'm gonna get my park. And I parked next to his car. And as he came out, this guy backed up into the park. So I forward into the park. And the man said, you know, I was about to park them in. And I said, let me tell you something. I was waiting here for 45 minutes. So this is my parking. And the man watched me and said, you know, today you want a problem with me, man. And the man go and get some powder in his car and blow it in my car. Now, if it's one thing about Caribbean people, if one man stand up in here right now and blow some powder in your empty, we not play with them something there. Them thing they we not play with. No man now go stand up here and say, I wonder if a Johnson and Johnson that him. In here we clear out. And the man blow the powder in the car. And it's like I nearly run over the man because I had to get away from him. So you see, voodoo in Haiti, it is real. My brethren, I deal with a girl and look at me and say, yo, I finally find the one, you know. Feel like I'm going to marry this one, you know, after she divorced this man. Say, brother, if she have to divorce a man for day with you, it's not the right one. I say, yeah, man, my idiot Asian boy have it up. Haitian? Brother, leave that alone. Man said, no, man, them boy, they are fool, man. Them boy, they can't even talk English good. Up to this day, he wears a size 11.5 on this side and a size 7.5 on this side. And the man I walk up and down just look like. And we play football every Sunday. You want to see the man up and down the field. You know? Kick the ball to me, rude boy. No.
Datmahseh.